this week episode, you get to see us take a trip to Trader Joe's. I get a new iPad, and then we had to get a new toilet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Syn, and y'all know what it is. It's time for Life with Syn. Yes, it is a new week. We are starting off. It's Monday. Don't mind the hat. I don't have anything on here but my natural hair. I just put the dog outside, and I am getting ready to get my morning started for work. So it's a little dark in here, so it's still dark outside. Well, the sun isn't coming up anytime soon, but yeah, this is what outside looks like. Yep, gloomy. Yeah, it's a gloomy day. I'm gonna try not to shake you guys a whole bunch because let me grab the tripod. And of course y'all hear the TV going, but I'm about to shower, do my morning routine for work. In the morning I do a little manifesting. So I got my new iPad I told you guys about, and so I'm about to unbox it. I'm still at work, so we're trying to figure out how to get everything squared away. I got the latest model, which is the iPad, the cheaper version. Well, not cheaper, the more affordable version out of all the other ones. $320. Okay. Like I said, I'm still at work. So this one is the 9th generation Wi-Fi. And yeah, I got that. I'm talking to my coworker. She's like, our boss is presenter. Yep. Our boss is presenting, and then we have a So, and plus this was the color that I saw at Best Buy anyway. And so, yeah. You guys get to see it. So this is it. And before we do anything, we'll take it out. And we'll set it to the side. We'll put it over here. And in here, of course, all you get is your Apple paperwork. I believe they still give you stickers. Yep. I've never used these. Do tell, what do you guys use these on? Because I've never used them. I'll probably stick it on my laptop or whatever. The good thing is that the charging port at the bottom here is still the same. So I could use my iPhone charger, the longer piece, to actually charge it. But it's a C port charging brick. So that's pretty much all that comes into my little handy dandy whatnot. And so we're gonna put this over here. And I did not get accessories yet. I know people wait to do like the whole unboxing and get accessories, but I actually need to use this prior to. So hence why that I didn't buy any accessories, and I'm unboxing it and not waiting for accessories. So I'm gonna rest this over here, and I'm gonna pull it up. And so it kind of looks like my old iPad, kind kind of the same look. It has a fingerprint reader. I am old school, so I don't need the real, you know, fancy equipment like everybody does, where they got to do the iPad Pro, the iPad Air. Like, I don't have to do all that. Yeah. So I have you guys turn this way, and I can just kind of bring you back down a bit so you get to see. So let's take a look at it. Don't mind all that stuff on the ground. But yeah, look at all that. And then I'll just set it up to my iPhone. And, yeah. So it's pretty. Let's see. Bonjour. Bonjour. And there goes the in-glass. So it was 60% charged, so I just plugged it up. I'm going to go on and order some accessories from Amazon so that I can, you know, get it all set up. United States. Let's bring your current iPhone or iPad near. This is sign in, and this is it right here. And how do you quick start? So I'll go quick start this, and I'll be right back. So we're in, and this is what my iPad looks like. Way better than my old iPad, because my old iPad, even though it's, you know, touch screen and all that other stuff, it has, you know, the software is updated. It looks cleaner, like brighter and stuff. These are all the apps that I have on here. A lot of these will get deleted off of here because I'm not gonna utilize like all of them. So like TikTok, all that stuff I don't want on here. But yeah, there's a lot of apps on here that I'm going to be getting rid of. Yep. So that's it, y'all. This is my new iPad, and we're gonna go order a screen protector, and we're also gonna order a case for it. And I believe I'm gonna order the pen. I don't know this at the back.
No.
Yep.
Am I a star?
Huh?
Am I a star now?
Yeah, you are a movie star. Replacing the toilet in the, well, redoing the bathroom. Replacing the toilet in here. The vanities next. We're changing out the square sink to a circular sink. And hopefully, possibly retile. Definitely painting, because that was the original color. I just never got into this bathroom. But now we are starting that project. So stay tuned. I don't know about the tiling. I might end up having to postpone that. But yeah, all that gotta clean, and yeah, look at that atrocious color. Yep.
Well, just over the patio that's there,